everybody, I'm Monica Bloom, Banyan Ambassador and creator of HeyMonicaV.com. Triphala is that powerful gentle cleanser made popular by Ayurveda. It actually is a formulation comprised of 3 fruits from India: Amalaki, Bibitaki, and Haritaki. Now, for thousands of years, they've used these 3 fruits to support health and digestion. And over time, creative Triphala lovers have developed many ways to receive its benefits. Then here's one you may not have heard of. Triphala can also be used as an herbal toothpaste. The bitter and astringent taste of Triphala is the main reason why brushing your teeth with it works so well. Right away, they will cause your mouth to pucker and produce extra saliva. It's a natural response, but the extra cool part is that your own saliva is actually naturally cleansing. These same tastes also encourage toning of the gum tissues and removal of natural toxin buildup on the teeth, gums, and tongue, keeping the whole mouth healthy and strong. That said, strong, bitter, and astringent tastes often leave people saying, "Wow, that's intense!" And while it might not be the tastiest of toothpaste, it's far more beneficial to the tissues of the mouth. It's definitely worth it, and some people report becoming more accustomed to the taste over time. Okay, to get started, all you need is a cup of water, a little bit of Triphala powder, and a toothbrush. While you're getting used to this new toothpaste, you may want to use a normal toothbrush and not the battery-powered kind, or you might end up with Triphala speckles all over your face and possibly your entire bathroom. So first you're gonna put a little Triphala on your plate here. So you're just gonna take a little bit, doesn't have to be a whole lot, a little spoonful, like so. And then you're gonna take your toothbrush and you're going to dip it in the water just to get it a little bit damp so that the dry herbal loose powder will stick to the toothbrush, kind of like any other loose herbal toothpaste. Then you're going to dip your toothbrush into the Triphala. So take your Triphala coated toothbrush and you're going to brush your teeth as you normally would with a regular toothpaste. Hold on. Okay, that's better. Brush your teeth as you normally would, making sure to give your gums a nice, gentle herbal massage. When you're done, you'll need to spit. If you prefer to avoid Triphala particles in your sink, aim for the trash or toilet. Your mouth will feel really dry afterwards, so you're gonna wanna have a glass of warm water handy so you can rinse with it right away. You can do this every day as part of your daily oral hygiene routine. It's best done right after cleansing your tongue and before oil pulling. Do all of these things, you'll be a happy camper with better breath, whiter teeth, and healthier, stronger mouth tissues. If you're looking for more reasons to smile, Banyan Botanicals Triphala powder is ethically harvested, sustainably sourced, and even Fair Wild certified. Got Triphala questions? We got Ayurvedic answers. Leave a comment or find what you're looking for in our Ayurvedic health guides and blog posts. Thank you for watching and happy brushing.